Hi, I'm Chris Rushton, Senior Director of Research at Glass Lewis. Over the next couple of minutes, I'll share a few insights into some of the things we expect to see during the upcoming proxy season in Europe. First of all, we'll start to see how companies in the European Union are responding to the evolving sustainable finance regulatory landscape. Following the Stop the Clock Directive in July and the Omnibus package approved by the European Parliament in December, the scale and scope of sustainability requirements for European companies is substantially changing from original plans. In some cases this proxy season, shareholders may have to decide to what extent they find it reasonable for companies to dial back their reporting or their previous commitments in light of these changes. Secondly, we expect ongoing interest in shareholder meeting format. In general, companies that decide to hold a particularly important shareholder meeting in a fully virtual format this year may face increasing opposition from their shareholders unless they can provide compelling reasoning for doing so. In the UK and Ireland, virtual-only meetings are currently extremely rare, but that may slowly start to change with increasing interest in so-called digital-first meetings in the UK and following recent legal reform to allow for virtual meetings in Ireland. Based on our extensive engagements on executive pay with companies in the UK and the rest of Europe in the past year, we're expecting that the pay increase trend observed over the past couple of years will continue into 2026, and it will likely continue to be largely framed around considerations on retaining and attracting executives in light of actual or perceived global competition for talent. As previously announced, our proxy papers will include a new pay for performance score this year. This largely quantitative model complements the benchmark policy analysis and will provide additional support for our clients in assessing blue chip and mid-cap companies' executive pay decisions relative to their peers. And lastly, geopolitics will increasingly impact on the decisions that companies and investors will take this year. They may have to navigate the impact on their business of global trade wars, developments in bilateral relations, abrupt regulatory changes, and other local conflicts. This may disrupt companies' financial planning and forecasting, their supply chains, and in some cases they may even struggle to access key resources. Geopolitical considerations may therefore need to be factored into board decisions and investor stewardship considerations over a wide range of corporate governance topics, from board composition through to more broader strategic planning. For more insights on what to expect for this year's proxy season in continental Europe and the UK and Ireland, please refer to our season preview documents.